Modern hobbies in 2025. Mindful escapes in a digital world. In 2025, hobbies have evolved from passive pastimes into transformative lifestyle choices. People are no longer just killing time. They're seeking fulfillment, creativity, and connection in a hyper-connected world. Among the most popular modern hobbies is digital journaling, with apps that combine handwriting, drawing, and audio snippets. Users are documenting their inner lives and daily reflections in a uniquely creative way. This hobby promotes mindfulness and self-awareness, often replacing traditional social media scrolling. Whether using tablets or smart notebooks, digital journaling allows for personalized expression through stickers, mood tracking, and customizable layouts, giving users a sense of control and artistic satisfaction. Another hobby rising fast in popularity is AI-assisted music creation. Thanks to tools like AI-based beat makers and voice generators, more people than ever are composing music without formal training. This hobby isn't just about passive listening. It's interactive, experimental, and community-driven. Platforms now allow creators to remix AI loops, collaborate globally, and even generate personalized soundtracks for life events. This fusion of technology and creativity brings accessibility to a previously elite art form, turning hobbyists into part-time producers and redefining what it means to be a musician in the 21st century. Meanwhile, urban micro-gardening is trending among city dwellers looking to reconnect with nature. Using vertical planters, smart hydroponics kits, and balcony greenhouses, hobbyists are growing herbs, vegetables, and even edible flowers right in their apartments. It's more than a food source, it's a wellness practice. Studies show tending to plants reduces stress and increases happiness. In 2025, even those in high-rise buildings are cultivating soil-free gardens, turning urban spaces into green sanctuaries with the help of app-controlled lighting and watering systems. Finally, miniature art dioramas are captivating hobbyists who crave tactile creativity in a digital age. From tiny bookstores to fantasy taverns, enthusiasts are handcrafting entire worlds on a micro scale. The process includes building, painting, and storytelling. Each diorama tells a silent tale. Online communities share blueprints and kits, while social platforms fuel inspiration and showcase collections. These projects provide a deep sense of immersion and focus, offering a meditative retreat from screen-heavy routines. For many, the joy lies not just in the final result, but in the quiet concentration and imaginative play that builds it.